Hi everyone, in front of me I've got iPhone with iOS 26 and let me share with you how to prevent deleting apps on this device. So if you want to just prevent or avoid the situation that someone who's not authorized will remove some apps from your iPhone, then simply block the ability to do that. So all we need to do is to open the settings. Here we need to scroll and find screen time and go to content and privacy restrictions. Here let's go to app installations and purchases, and here tap on deleting apps, so in app management option. Now you can either mark don't allow or allow. Of course, allow option will allow someone to delete the apps, and if you want to prevent it, just mark don't allow, and thanks to it, right now removing apps is not possible. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.